Hello guys, welcome to my latest video. So in today's video I'm bringing you another pretty nice game. This time around is Driver 2. For those that are not familiar with the game, it's it's like a prototype. It's like a game that came before the 3D open world GTA 3. So before GTA 3, we gamers we had to enjoy a 3D city, like to roam around and stuff like that. We only had Driver 2. That was the closest thing to like a GTA that we had in the time. So this game project is like the compilation uses a new basically they decompiled the game for the PlayStation 1 and they port it entirely by reverse engineering the game to Windows, and also I believe also it's available in Linux. So what you have to do is basically very simple. We go to the website, which is a GitHub Open Driver 2. Once we are here, download the latest release here. As for now in the video, the release is from February 4th of 2022. So you just have to download the zip file if you're using Windows. Once you have that downloaded, you will have zip like this. Just extract it into the folder. And once you have this folder, you'll see all these files. All we have to do is download now your PlayStation ISO of the game. Remember that the game came with two different CDs, so you will have CD1 and CD2. A very important thing to do once you have the, in my case I have the VinQ versions. A very important thing to do before anything else is just renaming the images. So if for the CD1 you have to name it Driver 2 CD1 and Driver 2 CD1. Remember to open Notepad just in case and drag the Q file and rename also here Driver 2 CD1 bin. Just save it and do the same for the CD2, Driver 2 CD2, Driver 2 CD2. So you will have these four files. Go and let's go to the red Driver 2, go into install folder and then just paste these files here. So next thing you want to do is go into the launcher. We are in the launcher now, and now we're gonna go into configure. We're gonna go to the setup wizard, and here you will select each of the CDs. So for example, CD1, we're gonna select the CD1 here and CD2 again, respectively. Once you have that, just click in install, and this weird console is going to show up, making a lot of things. So you just have to wait a couple of seconds until this process is done. What it basically is doing is just grabbing all the different data and stuff from the game ISOs and putting it into a comprehensible folder structure so that the new engine can understand and take from that things all the necessary data to be able to play this game. So you just have to wait until this is done. It's basically taking all the game, all the music, all the sound, all the videos, everything, all of the components that make up the game are going to be extracted. So next time you will not be using the ISO is not going to be necessary. So after we finish this, you can simply delete the ISOs from the folder, and you will perfectly have a PC port of the game. So let's wait until this is done. Just a little detail that I wanted to show you guys is that in future releases, maybe what they say here is that what's next, they will add new features, they will add new rendered sound engine, and also they will probably say that they will add the Driver 1 content. I don't know how they're going to do that, but the future sounds promising for this project. But as for today, they don't have yet these characteristics. So once installation is done, you will receive this installation complete. So we can go back to the folder just to save some space, delete the install folder, we don't need it anymore. So now we're going to launcher and make sure to have an Xbox. In my case, I have an Xbox One controller plugged into my computer, so it's compatible with modern joysticks. So let's launch the game and see how it works. So yeah, guys, so just to make a little reminder, some extra data, just keep in mind that this game was originally released for the PlayStation and also a little version for the Game Boy Advance back in 2000. So just so you have an idea how old this thing is from the 2000, and Grand Theft Auto 3 was released in 2001. So in the last part of 2001, almost 2002. So before Grand Theft Auto 3, the big open world, car thing was Driver 2. So I hope you like this video, guys. See you next time in the next video. Bye.